What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Lavina, and I'm here with another budgeting and cash stuffing video. Y'all, let me say, I am so sorry. Between work and DoorDash and some days, we're going to go over the budget so we can catch up. I am days behind, you guys. So forgive me. So this will be batch content, okay, you guys? So let's get to it. The job, y'all, it's going good. I gotta do my food handler's card. He sent me a link for a little test, but they seem to like me. And then, y'all, he did mention that he wanted to carry for a private label our juices. So we'll see how this all work out. You know what I mean? And like I said, I get free meals and stuff. It's 4 to 5 hours, 4 days a week. I get $300 cash. And that's what it is. And free food. And I don't think I am gonna start, because we're gonna talk about that too. I am gonna start DoorDashing after sometime, or try to leave early before, but I'll be tired. But I know, like, I'm just gonna pick the busy days, because I went DoorDashing when I got off on Saturday, because the schedule is Wednesday through Saturday for now. So I went and DoorDashed after, so I still had a little energy to burn. Okay, y'all, so the last video we did was on the 25th. Now the 26th, I started work. I didn't do DoorDash. Hold on, wait. So no income was made for DoorDash on the 26th, and I did make $75 from work. That was work. So I don't know, I might just do it weekly instead of putting down like $75 from work. Where is April? Hold on, y'all. I mean, why am I looking for April? Oh, no, I'm not. My expenses. I'm sorry. I just got through cleaning up, meal prepping for the house, y'all. Okay, so on the 26th, I had no expenses. So that means I went to work, came home. And that's another thing. The days I work, most days I won't be spending gas. So that's saving $60 too. You know what I mean? Because I put $10 to $15 a day when I'm door dashing. So I didn't spend anything. Hey, congratulations, Lavina. Okay, now the 27th, I worked and I door dashed. I made $35. And on that day, which was the 27th, Jayton Tudor was $15. I had fuel for $10, and then Seco Energy $10. Okay, y'all. So that was my expenses, and I do have my April budget plan. That's gonna be all crazy, y'all. Y'all gonna be able to help your girl a lot on that one, cause y'all will see when I do that video. Okay, y'all. So let's get to the cash stuffing. We are going to be doing Wheels binder, what was left. So this is Wheels binder. And we have, let's see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. I took Jayden to the carnival, him and his friends. Well, I was really the ride. And this church people gave me this and this. They asked me if I wanted it. I was like, yep. Let me put a scripture on it somewhere in my vicinity. So I said, yeah, they had a good time. He was so worried about me following him. Like, boy, ain't nobody trying to follow you, but I am about to lay eyes on you and track your location. You know. Also, you guys, since this the first video out the batch, I'm gonna be telling y'all some stuff too, because you know I can't act like, you gotta see it in parts. I can't act like these separate videos. I don't have time for that. So, but yeah, y'all, I took my mammogram. I told y'all that the other day. Okay, emergency gonna get 5, and they called me back. I don't know if y'all was looking at me or was subscribed to me last year around this time, but they want me to come back again for more imaging for the same breast. I'm like, why? Like, why y'all keep doing that? Like, but I don't know. I think it was, they said last year it was the breast density. But y'all know what? Last year it cost me money, and that's still on my credit. And then now they done upped it to $140 something. Like, that's crazy work. Like, I don't even have $140 something. I'm probably gonna make it, but that wasn't in my budget. Like, last year the same thing. Sent me back. I had to pay money. You know, I don't know, y'all. Okay, so now he got in his emergency fund 5, 10, 11. But I'ma go, cause you know what I mean. I'm gonna go for my own peace of mind, honey. My own peace of mind. We gonna color in the 4. That was 5. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm talking about coloring. That was 5. Yep, that was 5. But we just gonna color in the 4 because, you know what I mean? I don't have no 4. No, because I put $5, but I'm gonna color in the 4. Yeah, y'all, your girl always got something going on, honey. Always something going on. Like, I don't know, I guess the older you get, the more tests and stuff. Young ones, get ready. If you make it to see your 40s and 50s, you will see, honey, because I'm learning as I go. I'm like, ugh, I do want to get these fibroids taken care of, y'all. But I just can't be down right now. Okay. Savings didn't get anything. Yeah, savings gonna get $5. I must have messed that up, and we not gonna follow that. Cause how? So now savings has $11. This is Will's binder. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. You guys, I'm Lavina. My husband is Will. We're a blended family of 4. We're from Detroit, Michigan, but we live in Central Florida now, the city of Claremont. All right, what is this? Transportation. That's gonna get, since I did that, we're gonna get transportation $2. I did have 5 in there on there. But y'all, this schedule, this about to be all over the place. I'm just stuffing at this point because I messed this up. 1, 2, 3, 4. I messed this up. Let me see. Okay, birthday will get 5. Yeah, y'all, I didn't think that through. Now, birthday got $6. I didn't think that through. Oh, y'all, let me do my dollar envelope. Yeah. Oh, we got our first $5. Ain't that something? I be needing ones. Y'all might, but I don't know. I don't want to keep it. But I might be needing change. I be needing ones sometime, y'all. So yeah, y'all, today I meal prepped. I got some roast in the oven. I grounded up some ground beef. I have what else I had? Rice. I made rice. I made sweet potatoes. They in the oven, and broccoli. So people can mix and match how they want. And I already got some asparagus from work and some zucchini and onions and peppers, a blend like that. So I'm just gonna heat that up. Okay. Vacation to get 5. Now vacation has $6. Yep, y'all. And how about we got a couple of dollars. Okay, y'all. We're going to add all that to savings. We're going to add all of this to savings. So now savings is going to have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. Yeah, y'all. Life is full of changes. You just never know. You know what I mean? You just never know. You just pray. I got 2 pennies too. You just pray and hope everything, everything works out in your favor. You know? Yep. So I hope all of y'all been doing good. Like I said, I got busy. I was like I had a plan to make my video last night, but then it would have been after midnight anyway by the time I edited and stuff. So I was like, I'm just gonna not go to work because I'm off today. So I'm like, I'm just not gonna leave right out and do some meal prep, do some housework, and maybe go out, you know what I mean, later or something. Because I'm probably gonna take a nap after cleaning this house and meal prepping and not making these videos and edit them. They might catch me at the dinner rush or somewhere later. Okay, y'all. Y'all have a good day and see you. This is batch one. This is one video out of the batch. It's gonna be more coming. All right, see you guys later on the next video. Bye.